It's a bit, wow, like something out of a film. This is I've never seen this before. Got to get past these though, because they are holding me up quite a bit. Now then YouTube, how's everything today? Just coming out, just come for a little tour around the Peak District again. We're back up here. Sort of fell in love with the place last time I was here green laning. As you can see, the weather has slightly improved on last time. It is a bit cold, but it's not too bad. Just sort of come and have a look. Turn down some different roads we've not done before. Going exploring. Let's go and have a look down here, eh? Maybe not so much green lanes this time though, because, well, if you watched the last video you all saw how that one ended and it wasn't very good. So we'll just come and down these little farmers lanes instead and see what we can find. Maybe we find some nice nice things to look at. So see, I bet these took absolutely ages to build these walls, didn't they? I mean, they are falling down in places, but it's probably sheep and that knocking them down, innit? But they go on for miles. I bet it took forever to get them built. It's just madness. It is. This is what the motorbike is more about. If you don't, well, you will if you've watched the last video. The green lane didn't end well, so I think for now we'll just stick to nice little country roads like this and go and explore in the countryside, as opposed to exploring the countryside off-road. Maybe the odd light green lane, but nothing too bad. Just we'll go and explore the roads like this instead. Gets us out and about, seeing the countryside, seeing parts of the country we've never seen before. I've got to say, so far so good. I like it. Never seen that cow before. Peak District, there is just so many different roads to go down, places you've never been before around here. You just don't know where to turn. So I'll turn one place, we'll get lost for a bit, we'll keep going until we see a sign we recognise, and then we'll try and get lost again. That's the best way of finding things around here, isn't it? Just go and get lost somewhere in the countryside. Left, alright, left, alright, let's go right. What's this? Great Hucklow windmill. Let's go and find a windmill, eh? Let's go and have a look round there. I mean, the views just round here are spectacular. Look at that for a countryside view. Now that is something special. Windmill, except for excess. Let's have a see what's down here, eh? Wonder if there's actually a windmill down here. I'm guessing not. If they're doing it with a buggy on, I can definitely do it on a bike. Can't be that bad. Farmer's been busy with his silage bales there. This is what a motorbike is about, innit? Just coming exploring, just getting lost, and enjoying the view. Yeah, so not much really to say on this video, really. I've just come out just for a little ride, just to come and see, have a look at that view. So yeah, although I've not got much to say, we are going to have to stop and just take a picture down in that valley there like that. Right, so where was we then? Yeah, so I've not come out with an agenda today, nothing to talk about really, just come out to explore, so that's what we'll do. We are literally in the middle of nowhere here, so we've already been through Windmill. That was Windmill, was it? Right. Well, Windmill's a fun place, isn't it? Might not be the best place to be. There's not much to do there, but you've got to admire that view. I bet it's an absolute nightmare down here in winter though, when it's snowing and the roads are icy. Right up in the hills like this, I bet it's horrible. Castleton. Castleton, let's go and have a look what's in Castleton. Wonder if there's a castle there. What's up that road? I bet he's knackered. Not only is he pedalling himself up that hill, but he's carrying a passenger. Restricted road, no large vehicles. So let's go and have a look then. Just look at that. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. Just all different paddocks separated by them stone walls. It is just stunning, isn't it? You don't even need to go fast round roads like this when you're looking at a view like that. Just got to take it in, haven't you? Right, what's this telling me to go now? Outland work road heads, no entry for vehicles. Am I going somewhere where we've not a clue? Let's go and have a look here, eh? There's no point getting an adventure bike if we don't go on an adventure. Oh, are we just going to the farmer's house here, do we think? No, that's up there, isn't it? Oh shit. Oh, that scared me. I was looking at that sheep then instead of where I was going. Oh. Where's he going? So there is cars coming up here. Oh, there he is now, look. fixing a wall. All these stones. Quarry. See, I've not even got the maps on now. Today we just come out with the intentions of getting lost, and I think I've done it, because I haven't a jar of glue where I am. You'd be knackered walking home from a pub here, wouldn't you? I wonder where the closest pub is to these houses. I suppose you're different way of life, innit? You know, not just got a pub on your doorstep like you have living in a town. He says it's right there. So maybe I could live here. Horses. If I could be bothered stopping, I'd go and get something to eat, but we are exploring, there is no time for eating. Although them chips do smell bloody good. In fact, my mouth's watering. I've got a new friend now as well, look. Whoop whoop. Oh, we are now in Castleton. Wonder what's down there. Wonder if we can get over there in that valley, or is it just somewhere for people walking? Welcome to the Peak Caverns, the Devil's Arse. We are at the Devil's Arse, people. Never heard of that before. Oh, I wonder if I'm going into the middle of that thing I wanted to go into, the valley. We're heading towards it still. I thought it was over there. I must have been slightly disorientated. I don't know where I am anymore. I wonder if I'm going up in the middle of that. Oh, we are, yes! This place is crazy. I'm obviously not going doing that one there, but we'll get up in the middle of here and see what's about. The helmet's digging into me here today. It's hurting me a bit. I wish these cars weren't in front of me while I'm doing this now. I have to try and sneak our way past these. Oh, biker crew. So finally, oh, Tenere, I won't mind one of them. This looks crazy. Never been here before. This is I don't even know where I'm going. Don't know what to say about it. I'm just a bit, it's a bit, wow, like something out of a film. This is I've never seen this before. Got to get past these though, because they are holding me up quite a bit. This is madness. It is like something you see on TV. It's not something I normally come to. I do love the Peak District. I have definitely found a place to come and explore a lot more of. Get past him now. and then we have no cars blocking our view. Oh, the sheep, I didn't see these. Look, they're all over. I was too busy looking up. It's a good job one didn't run out in front of me. Hi! Oh my god, I would not like to be you right now. God, I bet he's knackered, because this is quite a steep hill. I don't know if it comes across like it is on camera, but I definitely would not be wanting to pedal up this. And it goes on forever. Cattle grid, so they're just locked in that bit there, the sheep, are they? This is quite an extraordinary place, but I was quite stunned with that then. It really did feel like it was just somewhere out of a film, do you know? I don't know, it's just something you see on TV or see on pictures. It's not somewhere I go. I like it. What's down here? What's this? Chapel Blue John Cavern. We'll go this way, eh? They're going that way, we'll go this way. Probably come wrong way now, Anna. This is the boarding way. I wanted to see Blue John Cavern. What's that place? I bet I can't even get in there on a bike. And you, whoa! Too busy looking again. Well, it has been fun exploring. So, it turns out this road wasn't too bad in the end when I turned, when all the cars were going right and I gone left. The road is actually okay. Nice views, nice and twisty. But I still don't know where I am. Castleton coaches. I've got a feeling we've just done a big loop. Blue John Caverns that way, Manchester Stockport. Right, so I think we are now on the main road, or sort of. We're on the road back home anyway. So thank you for joining me on this video. It was a bit different. It was just a bit of a ride out for us all. Go and explore somewhere in the countryside. Not really any agenda in mind, just to go and exploring. So if you like this sort of video, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come and join me for the next one. I'll see you again soon. Wow, look at that for a view.